to shift to Marianela and Marc Urselli. First and foremost, a great artist that is originally from Mexico, but lives in San Diego more than 2 decades, almost 3 decades, I would say. Thank you for inviting us again to explore what you and Marc have designed. What a wonderful story. Marc, welcome to the San Diego Museum of Art. We don't have the pleasure of knowing you, but from now on, we will remember who you are. 7 times Grammy winner, of course, engineer, Italian and Swiss, who has the capacity to intricately create this space in Gallery 19. When you see Marianela de la Hoz, this tiny creature in front of you, and you see those monumental paintings that reminds us, why are we not conscious of what we could do for the rest? I just say chapeau to you. Congratulations, and Marc, this is just the beginning of that.